This problem here, you're going to use your standard formula. You've got principal, you've got 1 plus r is your rate, and then t is your time. All you're going to do now is you're going to plug it in, you're going to solve the problem. So your principal, the tomatoes originally cost $2.99, then you've got 1 plus your rate. Your rate is 7%, write it as a decimal, 0.07, and then your time. They're asking, what will the tomatoes cost in 2 years? So now you have what you need. If you want to simplify it, you're just going to go $2.99, add these together, gives you 1.07 to the second. So now, when you punch that in, you need to learn how your calculator works best for you. My suggestion, do it the easy way. Just go 1.07 squared, and then multiply that times the $2.99. You may, if you're using a graphing calculator, you've got the caret to get that 2 in there, or you may have an x to the y key or a y to the x key. It's just going to depend on what kind of calculator you're using, and this is where you need to learn how to use it. So, for example, I'm going to be real detailed here. So now, when I go 1.07 squared, my calculator gives me 1.1449. And then all I'm going to do is multiply that times $2.99, and you're talking about money, so you're going to round it to the penny, so your final answer is $3.42. So in other words, in 2 years, it originally went for $2.99. 2 years later now, those tomatoes cost you $3.42. And actually, at today's prices, that's a bargain. Second problem, same idea. Going to do the same formula. You've got your principal, your 1 plus your rate, and your time. Time in these examples will be in years. So now, go with it. You've got $1.99, that's your principal. Then your rate is 3%. So let's just do it all together. 1 plus 3% gives you 1.03. And we're talking about 4 years. Punch that all in. Use your common sense now. If it started at $1.99 and it increased, your final answer has got to be more than $1.99. Likewise, if you end up with $100, you know you did something wrong right away. So when you go 1.03 to the fourth, then times $1.99, you get $2.24. Again, round it off to the penny because every penny counts.